kickstart your cloud career in 2024.
Cloud computing is transforming industries, and the demand for qualified professionals is growing rapidly. For beginners, earning a cloud certification is a valuable way to start a rewarding tech career. Let's explore the top 5 entry-level cloud certifications, their benefits, and how you can begin your learning journey.
1. AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner.
The AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner is Amazon's foundational certification. It introduces key cloud concepts, AWS services, security basics, and cloud pricing. No prior experience is required, making it ideal for absolute beginners. This certification demonstrates your understanding of the world's leading cloud platform and is highly valued by employers.
2. Microsoft Azure Fundamentals AZ-900.
The Microsoft Certified Azure Fundamentals AZ-900 certification covers essential concepts of Microsoft Azure, such as cloud principles, core services, pricing, and security. It's designed for those new to cloud or Azure technologies. Completing this certification shows you're ready to work with Microsoft's popular cloud ecosystem.
3. Google Cloud Digital Leader.
The Google Cloud Digital Leader certification introduces cloud basics, Google Cloud products, and the impact of cloud technology on organizations. It's beginner-friendly, with no technical prerequisites required. This certification helps you prove your knowledge of Google Cloud's offerings and foundational concepts, making you more attractive to potential employers.
4. CompTIA Cloud Essentials Plus.
The CompTIA Cloud Essentials Plus certification is vendor-neutral, covering broad cloud computing concepts, deployment models, and cloud governance. It's suitable for anyone interested in IT who wants a well-rounded introduction to cloud technologies. This certification is recognized across the industry and provides a strong foundation for further learning.
5. IBM Cloud Foundations.
The IBM Cloud Foundations certification is perfect for beginners looking to understand the basics of IBM Cloud. It explores core concepts, cloud services, security, and compliance. Completing this certification introduces you to IBM's global cloud environment and prepares you for more advanced studies or roles.
Tips to get started on your cloud journey.
Focus first on the basics. Understand cloud concepts and read official certification guides. Use free online resources, practice exams, and hands-on labs to build your knowledge. Set a study schedule and avoid rushing. Earning a foundational certification is a strong first step toward a promising cloud career.